Alright guys, welcome back to another trucking vlog. I don't know if you guys can see the Joplin concrete right now, but it is honestly a mess here. And there's water everywhere. So I know I'm about to look super lazy, but the security guard's gonna make me throw the padlock on anyways. So we are gonna go to the back of this trailer because we're picking up the same trailer we brought last night. And we are gonna put the padlock on from behind the trailer because my shoes are gonna get soaked as soon as I get out to crank the landing gear, because like I don't know what's going on, but the Joplin terminal does not flush water very fast. It normally just like stays pretty stagnant. I don't know why, but the rain's coming down good. And yeah, so we're gonna have fun tonight driving. I don't know, I kind of wish they would have just changed it as I was going, but they put it in for a relay, and because I didn't pick up the Michaels trailer that I did not see, therefore I was not even supposed to come here, but no one told me that. So we're gonna go pick up the trailer we dropped last night. See, like, look at that puddle, dude. Ends in 751. I'm not really sure where it's at. I know it's down here somewhere. This might be it, actually. No. Yeah, if it was that one, that would be awful. Is it this one? No, it's not that one. It must be this one then. No? Holy crap, where's it at? How far did I drop it down here last night? No, not that one either. It's this one, you can tell. Yep. So we need to put our dang padlock on this stupid thing. We're gonna get wet, dude. Wish that trailer wasn't there. I would have parked right next to it. We got checked out of the guard shack. I don't know why they require to put the padlock on. I don't do it anywhere else. It's only when I come to Joplin. Anyways, we're leaving now. We got 3 hours and 30 minutes until we get to this place. So we'll probably take our 30-minute break there. And then we'll drive as far as we can. Try to stop at a Love's. I don't know how far Topeka is to St. Louis, but I got a feeling that we might be stopping around St. Louis. I'm not too sure. I remember when they released that stuff like a couple years back, it was awful. And right now, it literally tastes like you're eating a Sour Patch Kid over and over again. So good. I also don't know how far we're gonna have to drive, but eventually we should get out of the rain, because up in Topeka it's not supposed to be raining. So we made it to the Home Depot in Topeka, Kansas. We already checked in with the guard. We're looking for spot number 757, 741 right there. If it's next to this trailer that's sticking out like that, dude, I hate that. That's like my biggest pet peeve. That trailer straight head sticking out further than the rest of them. I bet it is. You want me in spot 757, but there's a trailer in it. Come on. Look at this, dude. I hate places, dude. They give you a spot number and then there's a trailer in this spot. Alright, we gotta go back down. We're just gonna find the nearest empty spot and drop it in that, I guess. I hate that. It's so annoying. They like just aren't organized, I guess. Alright, we're gonna drop it in this spot here. We gotta go down a little bit. Oh, that's not a spot. Are any of these spots? That's a spot between those two Schneiders right there. Alright, we'll take that one. Alright, this is probably down far enough, so we're just gonna come up here and turn around. Use all of our room. Between the two Schneiders, is that what I said? I think that's what I said. Right here. Alright, so now we need to cut it up hard right here. Oh, I guess we probably could have straight back that. Dang it. What am I thinking? Did the same thing we did the other night at that tractor supply, dude. Actually, we might get this in one shot. Alright, now we need to go hard left. Oh, boys. We just one and done that. Look at that. Look at them apples. I'm pretty sure that's where our trailer landing gear goes. I'm gonna get out and go drop this bad boy real quick. It's kind of chilly out, I'm not gonna lie. We can back it up just a little bit more. All right, I don't even know what spot number I'm in right now, but I guess we're in 713. So like 40 spots away from where we were supposed to drop it. Whoa. And then we gotta go check in with the shipping office and get our next planned load, trailer number. Hopefully it's a Hyundai trailer. Those are the good trailers. These ones, this isn't a Hyundai trailer. I don't know who makes this trailer. Maybe it is Hyundai, but it's definitely not the newer style. Alright guys, it's currently 7 in the morning. I think we have like 20 minutes left on our clock. 30 minutes left on our clock for drive time. We're 142 miles away from the receiver, but it is time to shut down. So we're gonna go in between, or I guess we're gonna go right here on this side of the Autism Prime truck. It's really cool to see people supporting that. If I ever had the choice, I think I would probably do that for my truck. But we are gonna straight back into this spot. Maybe. Alright, not quite a straight back. I don't know what's going on. It should be about right there for guidance. Nope, need a little bit more. I am ready to go to sleep though. We have worked 12 hours today and we started our day at 4 p.m. and it is now 7 in the morning, obviously. So Jay is tired. I want to see how many miles we've driven before we end that. So anybody can do the math. You can kind of estimate what I make and also just look at what you make and see how much you would have made if you drove as far as I did. Alright, let me get my mirror lined up here. Alright, this is good. Do a little tug test here. Alright, let's see how many miles we drove today. View logs. We knocked out 400 miles exactly. I don't know how we only drove 400 miles today. Oh, we gotta go back to yesterday too. That can't be right. Not really sure how much we drove, to be honest, because it's counting part of last night because we drove into Joplin. I don't know how far. I'm gonna say like 500 something, 550, 575, somewhere in there. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.